Hello and welcome to In-Depth program. Today's topic of discussion is from small island states to big ocean countries, Western Pacific Ocean significance for India. The points of discussion will be Western Pacific region introduction, historic linkages, India's diplomatic approach towards Indo-Pacific, FIPIC, significance of Western Pacific Ocean for India, challenges for India in Indo-Pacific and practice questions. So first of all, let's discuss about the introduction of the Western Pacific region. Western Pacific region include the cluster of 14 countries including Cook Island, Fiji, Kiribati, Marshall Islands, Federated State of Micronesia, Nauru, Niue, Samoa, Solomon Island, Palau, Papua New Guinea, Vanuatu, Tonga, Tuvalu present in southern Western Pacific Ocean. The region is considered strategically important as it encompassing maritime crossroads between Asia and America. Pacific Ocean is emerging as new war zone for global powers. Thus, they are striving to exert their dominance among the Western Pacific countries. Historic linkages. India's contact with Pacific Ocean island countries developed during colonial rule when Indian indentured labor for sugarcane cultivation was transported to Fiji to work on plantations. Later, Mahatma Gandhi helped C.F. Andrews to abolish indentured labor in Fiji. Fiji's PM visited India in 1971, followed by Indira Gandhi's visit to Fiji in 1981. Indian diplomatic approach towards Indo-Pacific. India considered its engagement with Pacific Island countries as an extension of Act East policy. India has adopted a development diplomacy with Pacific Island countries, which includes community development programs, grant in aids and trainings. India's aid to PIC is an important component of South-South cooperation. India's engagement with PIC is largely based on soft diplomacy with huge presence of Indian diaspora with countries like Fiji having 37% of the population as Indians. In 2014, India institutionalized its relations with PIC by forming FIPIC. Now information about FIPIC, that is Forum for Indo-Pacific Collaboration. It is a multinational grouping developed by PM Narendra Modi in 2014 between India and 14 Pacific Island countries. First summit was held in Suva, Fiji in 2013, followed second summit in 2015 held in Jaipur, India. Recently, third summit was held in Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea in May 2023. Now moving on to significance of Western Pacific Ocean for India. Balance of power to neutralize the Chinese dominance in Pacific Ocean. Access to critical minerals like nickel, cobalt, copper found in polymetallic nodules of extensive exclusive economic zones of Pacific Island countries. India-based organizations like CDRI, that is Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, and ISA, that is International Solar Alliance, can help Pacific Island countries fight climate change. Region consists of important choke point of international trade starting from Malacca Strait. High diaspora in Pacific countries can help in strengthening global solidarity of India. Support of Pacific Island countries could help India to emerge as a global leader for South-South cooperation. Challenges for India in Indo-Pacific. China's dominance and hold over Pacific Island countries. For example, China signed deal with Solomon Islands, which paved way for military deployment in the country. Also, China's trade with Pacific countries became 30 times 1992 to 2021. Political instability in the region. India's weak naval force, which reduces the presence of India in Pacific Ocean. Pacific zone has emerged as a new war zone for international powers like China, USA, Russia, etc. Now prelims MCQ, consider the following statements. 1. FIPIC was formed by India in 2014 as an extension of Act East policy. 2. FIPIC Secretariat is located in Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea. 3. FIPIC contains countries of Micronesia, Melanesia and Polynesia group of islands. Which of the statements given is or are correct? 1 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 1 only or 2 only. Now mains question. Increased presence of global powers in Western Pacific Ocean has posed a threat to peace and security of the regional countries. Analyze the opportunities and challenges for the region in this context. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.